Gratitude is about noticing the good things in your life. It's about appreciating what you have, big or small. When you're grateful, you focus on the positive. You feel thankful for the people and things that make your life better. Gratitude isn't about ignoring problems. It's about shifting your perspective. Instead of dwelling on what you lack, you appreciate what you already have. This simple shift can make a world of difference. Gratitude is a feeling that comes from the heart. It's a warm feeling of appreciation and thankfulness. When you feel grateful, you feel happy and content. Being grateful is more than just a nice thing to do. It's actually good for you. Studies show that practicing gratitude can make you happier and healthier. When you focus on the good in your life, you naturally feel happier. Gratitude helps you appreciate the present moment and find joy in everyday things. It's like putting on a pair of rose-colored glasses. You start to see the world in a more positive light. Gratitude can also improve your relationships. When you show appreciation for others, they feel valued and loved. This strengthens your bonds and creates more meaningful connections. Showing gratitude doesn't have to be complicated. There are small things you can do every day to cultivate a grateful heart. Start a gratitude journal. Every day, write down 3 things you're grateful for. They can be simple things like a sunny day, a delicious meal, or a kind word from a friend. Express your gratitude to others. Tell someone you appreciate them. Write a thank you note. Small gestures of gratitude can go a long way. Practice gratitude meditations. Take a few minutes each day to focus on feelings of thankfulness. Visualize all the good things in your life and feel the warmth of gratitude in your heart. When you focus on gratitude, something amazing happens. Your whole mindset shifts. You start to see the world as a more abundant and beautiful place. Challenges become opportunities for growth. Setbacks become lessons learned. You develop a more resilient and optimistic outlook on life. Gratitude helps you realize that you already have so much to be thankful for. It allows you to find contentment and happiness in the present moment, rather than constantly chasing after more. Start your gratitude practice today. You'll be amazed by the positive impact it has on your life. Remember, happiness is not about getting what you want, it's about wanting what you already have.